Hello everybody. Did you recently get a new washing machine? Are you getting loud banging noises whenever you're using the washing machine? It might be caused by the water pressure from the solenoid closing on the washing machine and making your pipes bang. It's a simple solution in my case. What I purchased was these little things. Right there, those two little things attached to the water line for your washing machine, the hot and cold, and they're called washing machine water arrestor. I call them suppressor, but they call them arrestor. But it's pretty cheap. I got mine on Amazon for under $25 for the pair. There were some negative reviews where people said it didn't work, but majority of the people said it took care of their problem. And sure enough, for me, first time, it took me less than 5 minutes to install, and no more banging noises. So hopefully it lasts for a little while. I did read that some people had to replace the cartridges after a month or two. Some people said theirs lasted for over a year. I guess it depends on how often you use the washing machine. But cartridges are pretty cheap. Won't cost much to replace, even if I had to replace it every couple months. Definitely worth it. No more banging noises. Alright, good luck. Thanks for watching.